Case file number 004, the single crochet procedure. This is case file number 004. We are observing a foundational procedure in the textile arts, the single crochet. This evidence, restored from the digital archives, demonstrates a highly effective basic stitch mechanism. The subject initiates the procedure. A rudimentary slip knot is formed. A foundational sequence of 10 discrete chains is established. The subject creates one additional chain before executing the primary maneuver. Observe the insertion. The hardware enters the first chain from the hook. A yarn over. The fiber is pulled through one loop, then pulled through the remaining two. This sequence is repeated across the row. Insert, yarn over, pull through. A rhythmic, deliberate progression. The subject reaches the boundary of the initial chain. The slip knot is given a slight adjustment, securing the base. The material is pivoted. A single chain establishes the elevation for the secondary level. Notice the specific insertion point for the next sequence. The subject must penetrate both upper loops of the prior stitch. When the material is spread apart, the dual loops are clearly visible. The hook passes beneath both, creating a 3-loop configuration on the hardware before the final pull-through. The standard yarn-over maneuver is executed. The procedure continues across the row, building the textile block. The documented evidence confirms this procedure's structural utility. The subject's original log notes its frequent application in 3-dimensional textile construction, specifically stuffed animals and amigurumi. The structural pattern is straightforward, yet yields an elegant aesthetic. This concludes our observation of case file number 004, Analog Crafts for a Digital World.